A new Bitcoin BTC ordinals project called Bitcoin Wizards and its native token WZRD are dominating both the crypto and non-fungible token NFT sectors after recording significant gains over the past day. WZRD is up by 88% in the past 24 hours and is trading at $9 at the time of writing, making it the top gainer among the leading 500 cryptocurrencies. The asset briefly touched an intraday high of $113.80 at around 9:30 Universal Time, coordinated on April 16th after its trading activity skyrocketed. On April 15th, 5 days after its launch, WZRD reached an all-time high of $197.75. The token's daily trading volume surged by 198%, currently standing at $10.1 million. According to data provided by CryptoSlam, the Bitcoin Wizards NFT sales volume rallied by 325% over the past 24 hours, reaching $5.48 million. The number of buyers and sellers increased by 110% and 85% over the last day, reaching 547 and 455, respectively. Moreover, the global NFT sales volume surged by 15% in the past 24 hours and is currently hovering at the $40 million mark, per CryptoSlam. According to the data provider, Bitcoin is leading the charts with $20.6 million in NFT sales, followed by Ethereum's $7.6 million volume. Despite Bitcoin leading the NFT sales, only $17,871 of its volume accounts for wash trades. Ethereum's wash volume is currently sitting at $6.5 million. While the Bitcoin-based NFTs gained impressive momentum over the past year, Binance announced that the exchange's NFT marketplace will not support digital collectibles on the leading blockchain network starting on April 18th.